how to transfer money from Philippines to Belgium. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, we will open the Wise account and tap on send money. Now, after that, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines currency. Type it in the search, as you can see. So after you find what you need to do, just select it. Now, after that, select your currency, your recipient currency. In this case, it will be euro because the currency of Belgium is euro. Now, you can here type how much you want to transfer. For example, 10,000, 100,000, any amount that you want to transfer, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on pay with, and as you can see, the only payment method is bank account. Now tap on it, and as you can see, after that, tap on add recipient. Now here, tap on bank details, and now select someone else. And now here, if the recipient inside Europe, you can provide their phone name, and you can provide their IBAN. And if the recipient outside Europe, you will provide their phone name and their SWIFT and their IBAN account number. And after that, click continue, and your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Belgium. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.